Connect with Team NCU in the virtual exhibition experience at the General Conference Session, June 6 to 11. Here's how you can find Northern Caribbean University at this year's virtual session. Sign up as a participant by clicking Register Now. Complete the information requested. You will then receive an activation email. Follow the steps to activate your profile. Log in using your email and password. You're now at the GC Session virtual experience. Click on the venue to enter. Welcome to the virtual lobby. From here, you can either use the search bar to type Northern Caribbean University, or select the Exhibit Hall drop-down menu and look for IAD. On that page, you can find NCU. Select Northern Caribbean University and you'll be taken to the NCU virtual booth. Welcome.